For the introduction, the ISS is a science laboratory dedicated to help humans in learning how to live in space safely. The ISS is the collaboration of 15 countries: NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, CSA, and the JAXA are the participating space organizations. There are many terminologies related to this project. Some of them are astronomy, space exploration, artificial satellites, space stations, International Space Station. Now we come to the history part of the International Space Station. The concept of the space station was just science fiction until the space age, which began in 1957. The first mention of anything resembling a space station was found in Edward Everett Hale's The Brick Moon. In 1929, Hermann Potonik published The Problem of Space Travel, in which he spoke about a rotating wheel space station to create artificial gravity. Salyut 1, the first space station, came into existence in 1969 by linking two Russian Soyuz vehicles. It was followed by other space stations such as Mir, Skylab, and Tiangong. Now we come to another interesting part of the International Space Station project, which is the ISS historical timeline. It all started with President Ronald Reagan directing NASA to build a space station within the next 10 years on January 25, 1984. On November 20, 1998, Zarya was launched, and it was followed by other modules, and the first crew to reside on the station was composed of astronaut Bill Shepard, cosmonauts Yuri Gitzenko and Sergei Krikalev, and it was followed by the Destiny, the Columbus Laboratory, the Japanese Kibo Laboratory module, etc. And the most recent expedition to International Space Station was Expedition 65. The International Space Station was conceived as a series of linked cylindrical modules, solar powered and cooled by loops that radiate heat. The International Space Station spans the area of a USA football field and is occupied by at least 2 scientists or astronauts. Spotting the space station is very easy as it flies at an average altitude of 400 kilometers. It circles around the globe every 90 minutes at a speed of 28,000 km per hour. The space station appears as a bright moving light across the night sky. It can be seen from the Earth without using a telescope. Activity of the astronauts in the ISS is another important part and also very interesting. Astronauts spend most of their time on the ISS performing experiments and maintenance, and at least 2 hours is allocated to exercise and personal care. They also participate in testing out commercial products or doing biological experiments, and they also go on spacewalks to perform repairs. The applications of ISS. These are the varied applications of the ISS. Some of them include improving eye surgery, increasing the availability of ultrasound facilities in remote areas, advancements of robotic surgery technology, preventing bone loss, developing better vaccines, breast cancer detection and treatment, supporting water purification efforts worldwide and water quality monitoring, inspiring children to perform their science in space, natural disaster monitoring by the ISS Survey Environmental Research and Visualizing System. Now the current expedition or Expedition 65 is the 65th and current long duration expedition to the International Space Station that began on 16th April 2021 with the departure of Soyuz MS-17. The expedition will consist of 7 crew members. The future plans for the ISS call for the space station to be operated till 2024, with the partners discussing and possible extension until 2028. After that, it could be deorbited or recycled for future space stations in orbit. Now, I want to share my views and suggestions about the International Space Station. The ISS helps us by a large number of ways. It is also going to help in future Moon and Mars missions planned by NASA. It can also be used for the removal of space debris, but although it is almost impossible, space lasers may be used for vaporizing small space debris, but gravity would eventually cause the small particles to coalesce into a heap. If possible, it may be used to conserve the biodiversity of the world and help in oceanography. Developing food pills should be initiated to reduce the mass of spacecrafts. Algae are probably going to be used as the food of future as they are rich in various vitamins. These projects shall however need further advancements in technology before they can be implemented. Now I want to conclude my project of International Space Station by saying that it is undoubtedly the most expensive single item ever constructed. The cost is estimated to be 10 trillion rupees. It is critical to the continuation of space exploration, and ISRO also plans to launch its own space station if the Gaganyaan mission is successful. It will be a ray of hope for Indians, and I wish that it happens within a few years. Thank you. Have a good day.